Today's gonna be a good day. I received the cup holder inserts for a 2011 to 2017 Honda Odysseys. Thank you to Joshua Bishop for sending me one. I'm gonna do a little quick review on this inserts and kind of just show you for you guys DIYers on how to replace this. This is a laser cut part, so it's pretty precise. As you can see, there's no sharp edges or anything like that. And I will also include a video on how he does it. So I do like how thick it is, so it's going to support a lot more, and it's going to hold a lot more tighter of whatever you're putting in there. Compared to the OEM, the OEM is about half or maybe a quarter of the thickness of this one. So far I like it. So I'm going to give you guys a quick DIY on how to replace it, and then pretty much test it all out. Currently, this is the state of my cup holder inserts. As you can see, it's already kind of cracking, so it doesn't really hold it as good as I want it to be. So went ahead and linked up with Joshua and pretty much try it out and then show you how to pretty much replace it. This is a pretty easy swap, so anybody that don't even have experience can do this. So I will show you how to do that. For this process, you can either use a panel remover. I mean, technically you don't really need to, but go ahead and open the cup holder cover. The only thing you're going to do is pretty much lift up and take a grip right here. This whole piece would just come off. It's held nothing but by clips, so there's no screws to worry about. So, and yes, I do have a first aid kit, a de-choker, seatbelt cutter, and a glass shatter deal. So always got to stay safe. You never know who you're going to help. Might be your own family or somebody else. But anyway, go ahead and pop this off. As you can see, it's nothing crazy on it, held by little white clips. So just kind of give it a little tug. After that, you're going to remove these screws as the insert is sandwiched in between. So we're going to go ahead and do that, take it to the bench, and then pretty much swap it out. Go ahead and remove all the screws. You should have, is it 5? 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and pop the cup holder. So you can see my inserts pretty much seen better days. So it's only held by a little hook. So go ahead and start kind of popping it off. Just to show a comparison between Joshua's and the factory, you can just tell the difference in the thickness. So I do like that. Everything is pretty much same exact match, laser cut. Looks pretty damn good in my opinion. But let's go ahead and pretty much put this in, put everything back together, and see how they look. The new one's in. They pretty much fit like a glove, just like OEM. Everything goes in to the little grooves like how the OEM is. So I definitely like that. So as you can see from here, everything fits like a glove. This OEM definitely seen better days, like I said. So go ahead and pretty much put it back, go in reverse, put the screws back in, and pretty much pop this whole assembly back, and you are done. When you do tighten the screws, make sure you kind of go crisscross pattern. The only reason why I say that is that way when you sandwich the rubber, it'll kind of smush it evenly. I mean, this is kind of goes the same way as tightening a wheel or torquing of a cylinder head, but this is the end result overall, and it only took me, I would say, 3 to 4 minutes, maybe 5, because I'm recording. But anybody that's doing this as a DIY, Should only take you, give or take, I don't know, 3 minutes if you have everything prepared. But as you can see, like I said, this is the old one. Very thin, flimsy, no wonder why they break so easy. And this is Joshua's new setup, so a lot more thicker, so it's gonna hold everything a lot tighter. So overall, I'll give it a thumbs up. If you guys go hit him up, check him out, definitely highly suggest this inserts. Here it is, everything's installed. Like I said, just pop in. And the whole install is pretty much done. So like I said, give a shout out to Joshua Bishop for sending me one of these. Go check him out. Highly recommended. Laser cut inserts, so it's a lot more precise. As you can see, it looks more OEM, which I like. But yeah, like I said, I'll give it a thumbs up. Thank you again, Joshua.